Respected teacher and dear student, my name is Mahendra Kumar and my seminar topic is electronic polarizability. Definition: the electronic polarizability arises due to the displacement of the electron cloud of an atom relative to nucleus in the presence of an applied electric field E less than 0 in unpolarized atom and E greater than 0 in polarized atom. Figure 1. Electronic polarization in the presence of an external field. We know that Clausius-Massotti relation in general from ER minus 1 upon ER plus 2 equal to 1 upon 3 epsilon 0 into summation j nj into alpha j equation 1, where ER has been replaced by n square at optical frequency from equation 1 can be written as n square minus 1 upon n square plus 2 equal to 1 upon 3 epsilon 0 into summation j nj into alpha j equation 2. The Lorentz local field E local expressed as E local equal to E0 expectation minus I omega t, equation number 3. The complete equation of motion of the electron is m into d square x upon dt square plus m gamma into dx by dt plus m omega square x equal to E local equation 4. Omega is 0 equal to f by m का square, where f is denoting the force constant. The second term of equation 4 represents the damping force with dissipation constant gamma. Then the solution of equation 4 is x equal to E local upon m omega 0 का स्क्वायर माइनस ओमेगा स्क्वायर प्लस आई आर ओमेगा, equation 5. With this solution, the following expression for electric polarizability alpha E is alpha E omega equal to E into x upon E local. Putting the x E square upon m omega square minus omega square plus I r omega, equation 6. Ignore the damping effect. We get equation 6 alpha E equal to E square upon m omega 0 minus omega का square, equation 6, which show a singularity if the polarizability at the natural resonance frequency omega 0 but the value of dielectric constant is either plus infinity to minus infinity. When omega more less than omega 0, the polarizability equal is alpha E equal to E square upon m omega 0 का square, equation 6. Now equating the value of alpha E from equation 6 and Clausius-Massotti relation and solving from E epsilon omega, we get epsilon omega equal to 1 plus n e into n square upon m omega 0 into omega 0 का square minus omega square plus I r omega minus 1 upon 3 n e into n square, equation 9, where n e denote the density of polarizable electron. When omega square omega equal to 0, from equation 9 we have epsilon omega equal to 1 plus n e into n square upon m epsilon 0 into omega 0 square minus 1 by 3 n E into n square. Equation number 10, which is real and known as state dielectric constant. We separate right hand side of equation 9 into real part epsilon dash and epsilon double dash. Imaginary part is epsilon omega equal to epsilon dash omega plus epsilon double dash omega. Equation number 11. This gives epsilon dash omega equal to 1 plus ne into n square upon m omega square omega e dash omega equal to 1 plus ne into n square upon m epsilon 0 into कोष्टक omega 0 square minus ne into n square upon 3m epsilon 0 minus omega square into omega square minus ne into n square upon 3m epsilon 0 माइनस ओमेगा स्क्वायर पूरे का होल स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर. इक्वेशन नंबर 12. epsilon डबल डैश ओमेगा इक्वल टू एन ई इंटू एन स्क्वायर अपॉन एम ओमेगा 0 इंटू आर ओमेगा अपॉन ओमेगा 0 स्क्वायर माइनस एन ई इंटू एन स्क्वायर अपॉन 3m epsilon 0 माइनस ओमेगा का स्क्वायर पूरे का होल स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर. इक्वेशन नंबर 30. इक्वेशन 12 एंड 30 शो द फ्रीक्वेंसी एज ओमेगा आर इक्वल टू ओमेगा 0 का स्क्वायर माइनस एन ई इंटू एन स्क्वायर अपॉन 3m स्क्वायर पूरे का 1/2. Equation number 14. This equation is called the electronic polarizability. Thank you.